Hi everybody, I'm Meera Rahman from ECA Tech, a company that takes an AI-first approach. Look, we need to address the elephant in the room regarding AI in 2026. There is a lot of fear out there that AI is coming to replace jobs. And I want to be honest with you, it is. But probably not in the way you think.
When we talk about AI replacing redundant jobs, we aren't necessarily talking about firing whole departments. We are talking about replacing the tasks that suck the life out of your workday. I'm Matt from ECA Tech here, by the way. Think about your current week. How many hours are spent on pure drudgery? Data entry between two systems that don't talk to each other? Sorting through thousands of standard emails? Scheduling Tetris?
These are redundant tasks. They require zero creativity and very little actual human judgment. In 2026, these are the jobs that AI is taking over completely. And this is where the massive productivity shift happens.
Instead of spending 4 hours copy-pasting data into a spreadsheet, an AI agent does it in 4 seconds. Your job shifts from doing the data entry to reviewing the insights and making a strategic decision based on them.
We aren't seeing humans being removed from the loop, we are seeing humans moving up the value chain. When you strip away the busy work, what's left? The things AI is terrible at: complex relationship building, high-level creative strategy, empathy, and nuanced negotiation.
In 2026, the most productive workers aren't the ones who can type the fastest. They are the ones who best know how to manage their AI tools to handle the grunt work, freeing themselves up for the high-impact work that actually grows the business.
The question isn't, will AI replace me? The question is, how fast can I offload my redundant tasks to AI so I can become exponentially more productive?
If your business is ready to make that shift, reach out to us at ECA Tech Inc. or call 416-855-0322. Let's talk about upgrading your workflow. Thanks for watching.